Spring Mainstays 5. Constructed with a durable powder-coated steel frame for a long life of reliable use. Easy to assemble with no tools required. Twin and Twin XL can support up to 1,200 pounds total weight capacity. Full, Queen, King, and California King can support up to 2,400 pounds total weight capacity. Twin dimensions, 74x38x5, 23.83 pounds. Twin XL dimensions, 79x38x5, 24.43 pounds. Full dimensions, 74x53x5, 34 pounds. Queen dimensions, 79x59.5x5, 37.4 pounds. King dimensions, 79x75.5x5, 44.58 pounds. California King dimensions, 83x71x5, 43.63 pounds. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.